still on chips. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing announced an increase of nearly 61% in second quarter profit. That's year on year. The earnings hit an all-time high and beat estimates, and a big catalyst was strong demand for artificial intelligence chips from core customers such as NVIDIA and Apple. Let's get more from Matthew Bryson, Managing Director and Equity Research Analyst at Wedbush Securities. Matthew, thank you very much indeed. Just remind us, so we call NVIDIA and the likes chip makers, but they aren't at all, really. They're chip designers, and Taiwan Semi makes the things?
That's absolutely correct. Taiwan Semi is really today the only maker of advanced semiconductors. And yeah, they support AMD, NVIDIA, Broadcom, you name it.
Are they thriving? I mean, the stock has soared over the past 3 months, bouncing from the April low like so many other companies. Is business just rock and rolling for them?
The AI boom is really helping them. So when you think about whether it's NVIDIA chips on the AI side, AMD has its MI Instinct chips. Broadcom's making AI products for Amazon. Google. Marvell's making for Amazon, but all those get fabbed at TSM. So if AI demand is strong, then right now, that's a great thing for TSM.
But so for the current quarter, I think they're forecasting decent growth. But is it in the fourth quarter they're saying there could be a revenue decline?
Yeah, so if you take their annual guide and you net out what they've done to date in their Q3 guide, you end up with them implicitly guiding for revenues to be down. Which is a bit unusual. So it's been 10 years since they last saw revenues decline in Q4. Management was asked about it, and they said, we're just being conservative because we don't know what happens with U.S. policy. We don't know what happens with tariffs. And they kind of left it at that.
What is your take? Are they just being conservative and they could well exceed that projection?
Yeah, I think that's exactly it. We don't know what the semiconductor tariffs are going to be. We don't know if there's going to be tariffs on Taiwan that are separate from those. We don't know generally what U.S. demand is going to look like. And so I think rather than being more aggressive with that year-end guide, and remember they did lift their annual guide. They just decided to leave some dry powder, if you will, and if things are a little bit softer, well, they still hit numbers. If things continue as they are right now, that sets them up for a big beat, particularly with NVIDIA and AMD and others being able to ship to China again, which should add some revenue into the fourth quarter for TSM.
So we know that America under Joe Biden and President Trump has had restrictions on sales of chips to China. They've eased up in some respects. But so far, actual tariffs have not been put on electronic goods or semiconductors.
That is absolutely correct. So it ends up depending on what the tariff schedule is. So we've had some consumer electronics products that have been tariffed, which also impacts TSM. But you look at most of their parts, and no, they haven't been tariffed. Now, having said that, companies are having to get creative to avoid tariffs. In that, if you bring a board in, it can be tariffed versus if it's just a raw chip, it isn't tariffed. So people have switched around their manufacturing to make sure that they aren't getting tariffed. But yeah, right now there are ways around tariffs with semiconductors.
Are there any other companies in the world with a capacity even resembling Taiwan Semi or anybody with such advanced technology?
No, I mean, that's the thing. So as of right now, they're a virtual monopoly. So whether there are tariffs or not tariffs, you can't really get around you can't really get around any tariffs if they are applied, right? They are the only choice for the world's most advanced chips.
Wow. Wow, the world is a bit vulnerable, isn't it, to one company, and Taiwan, which, I mean, heaven forbid, could be attacked or put under pressure by China.
No, I mean, certainly it's been that way. Taiwan Semi did talk about the fact that they are starting up their second fab in Arizona, that they do have another, or a total of, I believe it was 6 fabs planned for the U.S., 2 packaging facilities, an advanced R&D facility. So they are diversifying from where previously all of their advanced manufacturing was done in Taiwan. And so the world is more diversified than it was a couple of years ago. But yeah, certainly Taiwan Semi is the only one that can manufacture what they manufacture.
And sorry, just recap, they're supposed to be building 3 new chip plants in America for about 165 billion US.
I thought the number was higher than that. I'd have to go back and look and see whether it was a total of 5 or 6.
Okay, sure.
But again, a number of new chip fabs, new advanced packaging fabs, as well as again an R&D center. And
you would be a buyer of the stock right now?
I think that for TSM, that their virtual monopoly at the high end of the chip production. So that's not going to change. I don't think AI demand is going to slow anytime soon. And eventually, I think we're actually going to see more AI demand as it finally gets into edge devices. So boosting another portion of their business. And so, yeah, I'm still really positive on the name.
It's incredible. And these chips, obviously, just the technology. We were talking about ASML yesterday and their lithography machines. Apparently the most complicated machines, ASMLs, most complicated made by human beings. So the technology is just mind-boggling here.
Yeah, no, absolutely agree. And that's ASML is enabled TSM. It was in part their early adoption of ASML's EUV chips that allowed them to get to where they are from a technology perspective. And so, yes, it's amazing stuff that these companies are doing.